Recalling past guests. Using past simple to describe previous stays. When looking back on past experiences at a hotel or guest house, it's important to use the past simple tense to accurately describe what happened during a previous stay. The past simple tense is used to talk about completed actions or events that happened at a specific point in the past. Let's explore some examples of how the past simple tense can be used to recall past guests and their experiences during their stays. 원션. Last summer, a family from Canada stayed at our hotel for 2 weeks. They enjoyed the beautiful beaches and warm weather. In this sentence, the past simple tense is used to describe a specific time in the past when the family stayed at the hotel. The verb enjoyed is in the past simple tense to show that the family's enjoyment of the beaches and weather was a completed action in the past. 2. During the winter holidays, a group of friends visited our guest house. They explored the nearby mountains and went skiing every day. Here, the past simple tense is used to describe the actions that the group of friends took during their stay at the guest house. The verbs explored and went are in the past simple tense to indicate that these activities happened in the past. 3. 2 years ago, a solo traveler from Japan booked a room at our inn. He tried local cuisine and went on guided tours of the city. In this example, the past simple tense is used to recount the experiences of the solo traveler during his stay at the inn. The verbs tried and went are in the past simple tense to show that these actions took place in the past. 4. In the spring, a couple celebrating their anniversary stayed in our bed and breakfast. They relaxed by the fireplace and enjoyed the peaceful surroundings. Here, the past simple tense is used to describe the activities that the couple engaged in during their anniversary stay at the bed and breakfast. The verbs relaxed and enjoyed are in the past simple tense to convey that these actions occurred in the past. Overall, using the past simple tense to recall past guests and their experiences at a hotel or guest house can help ESL students accurately describe previous stays. By practicing the past simple tense with numerous illustrative examples, students can become more proficient in using this tense to recount past events in a clear and concise manner.